minus 4, I don't know, minus 20, minus 30, something like that. I'm just coming out, it's just getting dark. I'm just come out to show you this. Have a look at this. That there is yaks, freezing cold in the snow. Look at them up there. Oh, yaks, just out here in the snow. All over the other side, yaks just lying there. Snow's fallen on them. They must be freezing. See? A couple still standing here. Not many. You got this nice little yak, see, just come around here a little bit. You see them all just sitting here. Just getting absolutely covered in snow.